for a long, long time now, I have followed certain investors and looked at what's called their 13F filings, which is what they have to submit to the SEC to say, hey, these are the stocks that we've purchased and these are the stocks what we've sold. Here's our current portfolio. They have to do that every quarter, okay? It's called a 13F filing. And you can learn a huge amount from that. My assumption about people like Michael Burry and Bill Ackman and Warren Buffett and people like that is they've got an army of very, very intelligent people looking at the market and making very educated guesses about where the market is going, okay? PhDs, consultants, they've got contacts in the government that I could never get access to. And so I look at this as a guide to where the market's going. And it's been very, very good strategy for me personally to do this. So this particular guy, Michael Burry, is one of the guys I've followed a lot. Here's his 13F filing. So he recently liquidated all of his portfolio, basically, and now he's just gotten back in. So this is all of his new stuff that he's just got back into, okay? Interestingly, a lot of these are like Correctivic, CEO Group, are prison companies, okay? So you might want to think about what he thinks the USA is heading for, given that he's heavily investing into prison companies, okay? But the one that's really interesting for me is this one just here. And if you look, he purchased a shitload of it. Like it's its highest purchase he's made. He purchased a shitload of it. So what does Curate Retail do? This is Curate Retail Group. You may not have heard of Curate Retail Group before, but they own brands like QVC. Maybe you've heard of QVC. QVC is the shopping channel, shopping TV channel. Yeah, cool. So they do a ton of work in that. And he's now massively invested in this particular company. So QVC, Zulily, Frontgate, and Grandin Road all do this live shopping in the US market. That's what they do. This is the next little piece of the particular puzzle that I found quite interesting. So TikTok, fastest growing e-commerce platform in the world, doing incredible things, and they are moving towards, remember, ByteDance owns this company within the Chinese marketplace, what's called lives or live events, like Singles Day, for instance, did, I think, $31 billion in revenue for one day, all on the back of people being on video, selling these products live, okay? So they really know what they're doing. ByteDance really knows what they're doing with that. TikTok is now moving into this space as well. And they have partnered up with a company called Talk Shop Live. So they've outsourced it to a company called Talk Shop Live. Okay, so that's a US-based company that does lives, that helps people get into lives. That's what they do, okay? Amazon has had a brief dalliance with doing live shopping as well, but so far, I don't get to see their internal numbers, but I don't believe it's worked for Amazon. I don't know why, but it doesn't look like it has, just because of the way they structure the lives and what retail space they give it on their website. It doesn't look like it's worked for Amazon for whatever reason. Maybe Amazon is not right for that yet, but certainly Shopify is moving into this in a big way. Shopify is moving into this in a very, very big way. And so that suggests what Shopify are looking to do is looking to corner that particular market with regards to TikTok because if they're on TikTok right now, at least, you've got to take them from TikTok and move them to a place where they can buy your thing. Okay. This is a TikTok live that's happening right now. I wonder if we can get volume on this. What this young lady is selling, like previously she was selling crystals. Now she is selling chains and things like that. It's fascinating to watch. Really, really interesting. I think you should pay attention to this. In China, in Mexico, in Vietnam, in Indonesia, so much money gets made like this, with these people shopping like this. Heaps of people shop like this. There's no reason at all this won't take off in the USA as well and come into Australia. And if anybody knows how to do it, it's ByteDance through TikTok. If anybody knows how to do it, it's them. And you can see already clearly Michael Burry, one of the best investors in the world, also sees some opportunities happening there as well. Okay. So watch that space. I think that's going to be huge. I really, really do. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Holy crap. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business too, get off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. And thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video.